Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to make money with MoneyMan just by you clicking, and I'll be explaining you guys the MoneyMan platforms, how it works. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So guys, in the previous video I actually showed you guys how to set up your MoneyMan account, that is how to register yourself on MoneyMan. So once you are done with registering yourself on MoneyMan, you need to click on the dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, you simply click on plan. Okay, these are the various plans. That is, if you buy the plan of 5,000 francs, you are going to have 18 ads limited for 1 day. That is, and each ad costs 25 francs, and you have a minimum withdrawal of 1, and this elapses after 30 days. So it's the same thing for the plan for the master plan, and the same thing for the software live dreamer. That is, in the software live dreamer you actually have 75 ads, that is for 25,000 francs. But you actually need to know that the more money you put, the more benefits you make. So guys, these are the various subscriptions. You have 500,000 francs, you have 300,000 francs, you have 50,000 francs, you have 100,000 francs, you have 200,000 francs. But I actually subscribe for the 5,000 francs plan. So that is what I've subscribed for. So after that, I'll simply go and click on ads. Once I click on ads, it is actually going to show me the ads that I need to watch for me to earn my money. So I'm going to click on review now. So once I finish watching these ads, I'll actually earn 450 francs. After that, I'll click on submit earn. So I'll need to subscribe to their that is, I'll need to follow them. That is condition for the tax. So I'll follow their page. So after that, I'll simply go and check on my dashboard. So guys, that is the money in which I'm just making. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.